Essentially, there are four kinds of bankruptcies. There's various different chapters, but basically you have Chapter 11, Chapter 12, Chapter 7, and Chapter 13. Mainly what we deal with is Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 bankruptcies. Chapter 7 bankruptcies are liquidation bankruptcies, or they totally get rid of all your debt without any repayment. Chapter 13s are repayment plans based on various different things such as income, property that you own, and other factors. Chapter 11 bankruptcies are for corporations or if you have over $1 million, and Chapter 12 bankruptcies are for farmers and fishermen. As I said, mainly the two areas we deal with are Chapter 7 and Chapter 13. And the main thing that you're going to need to know when you get here is you don't get to choose which one you file. It pretty much comes down to what's called the means test. Means test is the average household income per household size per the area you live in as set out by the IRS. They created that test in 2006 because there were various abuses of the bankruptcy system, and due to that test, now it kind of eliminates your choices of which chapter you're going to file. The way Cravens Noll works is we're set up into different teams. We have bankruptcy teams, domestic team, criminal team, personal injury team. What that does is it allows us to specialize legal assistants and certain lawyers to deal specifically in certain areas, such as bankruptcy. You will have an individual bankruptcy paralegal that you'll become very familiar with. She is the only thing she does is bankruptcy. So if any questions arise, she's always there, as well as you have several attorneys who deal with multiple aspects of the bankruptcy process, such as anything from the intake all the way through discharge of your bankruptcy itself. We at Cravens Noll provide expert legal services in the bankruptcy field for highly competitive fees. My name is Allan Burns.